Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, Windows 11 mouse feels weird, turn off mouse acceleration. First method is change Bluetooth and devices settings. Second method is change control panel mouse settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.